Today we're going to learn how to turn on the closed captions in a YouTube video, and we're going to learn how to take those closed captions and translate them into the language of your choice. First thing, go into your video, take the cursor, and find the closed captioning icon. You'll find this in the form of a box with the letters CC written on them. That stands for closed captioning. Go ahead and click it. You'll see some English subtitles. Let's say you want to change those subtitles into some other language. Well, you click the settings gear, go into subtitles, and click auto translate. Now you can auto translate into any language of the rainbow, including this one. Alright, you have now successfully translated the closed captioning on a YouTube video. Great job!